Hello?
I'm gonna get one of those little French tacos.
Hello?
Can I help you?
Hi, can I get a diet water?
A what?
A diet water. How you not know what a diet water is? Also, can I trade my tacos in for a Big Mac? Hello?
Ask for a Bobby Bacon burger.
Bottom.
A Bobby Bacon burger.
Can I get a Bobby Bacon burger, please?
Hello?
Are you still there?
Go up to the window.
This is some horrible customer
Go
service.
up to the window. He's looking all confused in there.
Oh my god, that's clothes inside!
I don't think it was him. Can I get a diet water?
Daddy!
Daddy!
A diet water.
I got
Daddy!
It wasn't him on headset.
Daddy! Daddy!
What do you guys want, Coke or cherry?
Oh, Cherry.
Lisa!
I want a diet water. Give me a
Lisa,
diet water.
roll my window
I'll make
down!
Coke and I'll make cherry. Come on, Beth, come on.
Daddy!
Okay, I'll
Daddy!
get you guys all.
Hi!
I want a Coke.
Mommy,
Or
it
Coca.
wasn't
Hi, Daddy!
Beth, our Coke,
wasn't him on headset.
Hi,
I
Daddy!
guess so.
Daddy, I'm gonna go get some ices. He'll be back.
Okay. Shut my window
Was that him
down.
on the window?
Shut my window
No.
down.